India should be forced to cooperate in the murder probe. Qatari Sikh community welcomes Trudeau's statement. India under Modi is under fire from all sides for spreading terrorism across the globe. The latest one being the murder of a Canadian Sikh citizen, Hardeep Singh Nijjar, on the soil of Canada. The killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar in another state by the India raised the alarm bell in every nook and corner of the world, wherever the Hindutva-inspired Indians are living, especially Europe, America, Canada, Australia, and the Middle East. After the West, Sikh community residing in Qatar have also expressed concern over the killing of Nijjar by the Indian secret agencies. These Sikhs have welcomed the statement of the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, in which he had told the Canadian Parliament that Toronto is actively pursuing credible allegations linking the Indian government agents to the killing of Nijjar 2 days after the Justin Trudeau urged India to cooperate with an investigation into the murder of the Sikh leader in Canada. The killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar has deepened the diplomatic tensions between Canada and India, resulting in the mutual expulsion of the senior diplomats. The charges involve activities compatible with their diplomatic status. Canadian security agencies are actively investigating credible allegations linking the Indian government agents to the assassination of the Canadian citizen Hardeep Singh Nijjar, a case brought to the forefront by the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau.